In this session, we'll discuss what a class member property is, how to set property visibility and declare properties, and then set some default values. A class property is nothing more than a variable stored inside the class. Being inside the class construct itself protects it from naming collisions from any other scope. Here on the left of this slide, we have the class properties elements, name and valid, set to the associated data types array, string, and boolean, which are now part of the form class and are protected from naming collisions in any scope, including the global scope. Now, these class properties, like variables, will often change during the runtime of your application. Other names for class properties include variables, attributes, and fields, and you'll commonly hear that being used by other developers and in written documentation. Property visibilities are registered as either public, protected, or private, and visibilities relate to a sort of control mechanism for other code within your application. And we'll discuss more about that control mechanism when we talk inheritance. Here in the form class snippet, we see the three properties that we have previously set, the elements, name, and valid. To their associated defaults, elements happens to be an empty array. Name has no default setting, so it's just a placeholder at this point. And the valid property is preset to a Boolean false. And each one of them have a visibility setting, two of which are protected, one is public. Next up, class methods. In this session, we'll discuss